Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe and leave a comment down below for Verasity, which is what we're looking at today on the daily time frame. As we can see, still bouncing around at our area of support here, where we've been bouncing pretty much this entire bear market. You can see still very much in the accumulation phase of the market for Verasity. Obviously, we've had the halving over the past week. Bitcoin looking very like it's probably going to be heading up and making some new all-time highs soon, in my opinion, bouncing off the low of the range that it's been making itself. Verasity having a bit of relief off the lows, bouncing perfectly at the 0.23 Fibonacci at half a cent here, as you can see, and now making its way, you would say, back up through some of these Fibonacci levels over the next few months, in my opinion. Overall, looking totally fine on the macro as well. Really nothing to be concerned about too much here. Lots of FUD and nonsense going around for Verasity recently, but I still think it's going to do really well in this bull market. As you can see here, previous bear market here, putting in a nice range here, followed by a huge explosive move to the upside. And really right now we're still very much in an accumulation phase for Verasity, I would say. Once we do start to see some nice catalysts in the market, altcoins pumping and also Bitcoin probably having a little bit of a stalling out session, we're probably going to start to see some big moves for a lot of altcoins, and I do think Verasity is one of those cryptos that's going to do well as well. You can see quite clearly on this chart, we're still very much in the accumulation bear market phase really. A bit of a tech come up here to test our 0.50 Fibonacci, but obviously with a lot of the bearishness that we saw for Bitcoin over the past few weeks, we did see a retracement for a lot of cryptocurrencies, including Verasity here. As you can see, it did look as though we were going to start coming up, making higher highs and higher lows, but coming down for one final back test into these fib levels, I think, here. Followed by, I think, in my opinion, looking something like this, where we'll bounce, start making our way up through our fib levels. As always, things looking completely fine in terms of the macro. Really, we're just waiting for that micro to start catching up with some of these targets that we're looking for. You can see on the chart here, the Fibonacci extensions clearly showing us that we're probably going to be heading up to all-time highs and beyond, anywhere from around 20-30 cents to $1 up here at the top of the range. I think of this channel is going to be our targets for the bull run over the next few years, probably over the next year and a half really, considering how things are going right now. Overall, things looking totally fine for Verasity, still very bullish. Let's see what we can do. Like and subscribe, leave a comment. Catch you in the next one. Cheers.